Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, in this video I will show you how to create a 100% working Mac portable USB drive on Windows computer. This is a new and improved way to create a portable USB drive of any new or old Mac operating system on a Windows computer. For this, we need only 4 things: a USB drive, macOS installer, third-party software, and a Windows computer. So first we have to prepare our USB drive. For this, plug your USB drive into your computer USB port and open your command prompt as an administrator. Now run the following commands step by step. So first command is disk part. Hit the enter key. Now type list disk and hit the enter key. This command will show how many disks your computer has. In my case, there are 2 disks, disk 0 and disk 1. Disk 0 is my hard drive and this one is my USB drive. In next step, we have to select our USB drive. So I type select disk 1 and hit the enter key. This one is selected, so now we have to clean it. So I type clean and hit the enter key. Now our disk is cleaned, so we type the next command, convert GPT. This command will convert our disk into GPT partition scheme. After that, type create primary partition and hit the enter key, and that's all. Now type exit to get out of this. Now our USB successfully converted into GPT partition scheme, so we can close CMD and go to the next step. In step number 2, we will download 2 free softwares, HSF Plus for Windows and Transmake. They both are paid softwares, but their trial version is more than enough for us. Download link in the video description. Please keep in mind, after installing Transmake and HSF Plus for Windows, you must restart your computer. After restart, first open HSF Plus for Windows. Now click on these 3 dots and choose Format New Volume. Here click on this drop down menu and carefully select your USB drive. If you want, you can give your USB drive a name and then click the format button. This process will format our USB drive in macOS Extended Journal. Now you can see our USB drive is formatted in macOS Extended Journal and partition style is GPT. Now our USB drive is ready, so we go to the next step. In next step, open your web browser and download your required Mac operating system. Here you can see I have downloaded some old and some new Mac operating system for your understanding. So first I will tell you how to create a bootable USB drive of old Mac operating systems, just like macOS Tiger, macOS Lion, Mountain Lion, etc. etc. And after that, I will teach you how to create a bootable USB drive of a new Mac operating system, just like macOS Sierra, Catalina, Big Sur, Monterey, or macOS Ventura. So to create a old Mac operating system bootable USB drive on Windows computer, first open Transmake as an administrator. Wait for few seconds and click run. Now right click on your USB drive and click on restore with disk image. Click on yes. Now click on these three dots and choose your downloaded Mac OS X installer. For the demo, I will choose Mac OS X Mountain Lion and then click on Open button. Click on OK. Now, if I press Yes button, it will start restoring the Mac OS X Mountain Lion installer into my USB drive. So I press Yes button. This process will take some time, depend on your hardware configuration. When the process is complete, you will get this message. Just press OK and that's all. Our Mac OS X Mountain Lion bootable USB drive is ready to use. Now just plug your USB drive into your Mac, press the power button and immediately hold Option key of your keyboard. Now select your USB drive from boot picker screen. Now you can see our Mac is booting from our USB drive. And after boot, we can easily install the Mac operating system with the help of this USB drive. Anyway, let's learn how to create a bootable USB drive of a new Mac operating system on your Windows computer. So friends, for creating macOS High Sierra, Catalina, Big Sur, Monterey or macOS Ventura bootable USB drive on Windows computer, first convert your USB drive into GPT and then format it in macOS Extended Journal. After that, select your required operating system and open it in Transmac. Now click on your DMG installer and select this folder. After selecting the folder, on the right hand side you will see Install macOS Ventura.app, which is original and offline full macOS installer. Just drag this installer into your desktop. This process will extract the original macOS installer from DMG file. After extracting, the macOS installer look like a folder on the Windows. Now close Transmac and open HSF Plus for Windows. Here you can see our USB drive is already prepared. So I click these three dots and choose Open in the Explorer. Now copy your macOS installer and paste it into your USB drive. This process will take some time, depend on your hardware speed. Anyway, after pasting the macOS installer into your USB drive, open your web browser, go to my Google Drive and download the macOS boot file folder. Link in the video description. Please keep in mind the boot file of every Mac operating system is different. So if you want to create macOS Ventura bootable USB drive, then download macOS Ventura boot files. If you want to create macOS Monterey bootable USB drive, then download macOS Monterey boot files. And if you want to create macOS Big Sur bootable USB drive, then download macOS Big Sur boot files. Anyway, after download macOS Ventura boot file folder, just double click on it. Now go to View menu and check Hidden Items. Now select and copy all the file in this folder and paste in your USB drive. After pasting the boot files, our macOS Ventura 100% working bootable USB drive is created. Now this drive is ready to use. So friends, hope this video will help you to create a bootable USB drive on Windows computer and reinstalling the operating system on your Mac. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for your time. Take care. Bye bye.